Teacher, good day. I'm Javier Mauricio Garzón Lopez. Yesterday, I was hearing and reading all day. I was studying inside the house. I want to be outside because I need to lunch. I wasn't work outside because it was raining. I was feeling hungry and thirsty, but there wasn't food in the fridge. Then I didn't cook anything. I was trying to keep busy. I was reading my favorite book when I saw the window and it was raining instead. Then I called the restaurant and I asked a lunch. But the storeman said me, it is very late and we close at 1 p.m. After I called my friend of Fat Foods and he said me it was very early and he was taking a shower. While I was calling, the rain stopped. I went at the mall and ate a delicious pizza. Thank you.